How many hours are in a Turkish workweek? Is a worker entitled to vacation? Do Turkish women go on maternity leave? Watch in our new video, the most important rules regulating the relationship between employee and employer in Turkey. Let's go. The general conditions for hiring employees in the Republic of Turkey are regulated by the state constitution and the labor law. Special hiring conditions, various bonuses and the like, are usually regulated by the employment contract. The first thing to know, discrimination of workers based on race, gender, language, religion, political views is prohibited by law. In such a situation, a worker has every right to go to court. Views is prohibited by law. In such a situation, a worker has every right to go to court. The Turkish labor law provides for a 45-hour workweek. According to the law, this working time should be divided into working days. That is, the employer can determine the number of working hours independently, but within the limits established by law and no more than 11 working hours per day. Work time exceeding 45 hours per week is considered overtime and should be paid additionally. The total amount of overtime cannot exceed 270 hours per year. From January 1, 2023, the minimum wage in Turkey changed. It was increased and now amounts to 8,500 liras. If payment of wages is delayed for 20 days or more, the worker has the right to refuse to go to work. However, the shortage of jobs doesn't encourage such freedoms, and in practice, workers are forced to wait patiently. According to Article 46 of the labor law, workers have the right to a paid sick leave period, not more than a week from the date of the medical report. Those who have worked at one place for at least a year, including probation, are entitled to paid vacation. The duration of the vacation depends on the number of years worked for the employer. These are the minimum terms set by law. Usually the actual vacation, based on a specific employment contract, is longer. According to the same labor law, there is also paid maternity leave in Turkey. It amounts to 4 months to 2 months before and 2 months after childbirth. An additional 6 months of unpaid maternity leave can be added to this period. In case of termination of the employment contract, the party wishing to terminate it, employer or employee, must notify the other party in advance. Depending on the length of service at this place, the period is from 2 to 8 weeks from notification to dismissal. TURK Estate. Make your dream come true. Live by the sea right now.